So today, in this video, I am here to show you another one of these, which are the Conqueror Virtual Challenge medals. I completed my second one, and it's here, but first I want to show you another medal that I got. This is not from the virtual challenges, but it's this one. If you saw my YouTube around April time, you will have seen that I was doing the stream throughout April to raise money for the Blue Cross, which is a charity that's close to my heart because it helps animals and everything. And yeah, it was called Pause to Play, and you signed up and then you streamed, raised some money. I think I got about £90 or something like that. I can't actually remember how much I got, but yeah, I got my medal, which is this one, and it's so glittery. It says the Blue Cross there, it says Pause to Play, and then this glittery paw, which I'm in love with, and then it says the, what does it say, Blue Cross 1897 Challenge. I just love it. I adore this medal, and it's so weighty as well. Like, I was expecting it to be something like really cheap, but it's really good quality, so thumbs up. So, onto my Conqueror challenge. These videos for some reason do better than any of my other content. I don't know why. But if you are here because you've searched Conqueror Virtual Challenge medals or whatever, then thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm sure there's other videos to click on. If you do enjoy this sort of content and you want to see what other medals I pick up, I make content on a lot of random stuff. But if you are here for the medals, I will be doing more videos. I've already signed up to another one, which I'm about 40% through. So when I get the medal for that, I'll be uploading another video to show off that one. And yeah, let's get on with this one. So if you do want to support me and say hi and stuff like that, then the comment section's always open, and if you want to hit that subscribe button somewhere down here, then it would be greatly appreciated. And yeah, so virtual challenge, this one. In case you were wondering what virtual challenge was, if this is your first time, you know, like if you have been seeing these advertisements for it on your Instagram, which is how I came across it first of all, then I'll first explain to you what the actual virtual challenge is. So basically, you sign up for it, you pay, I think it's £24.99 including the shipping, possibly. It's about that price. And then you get a code that you can enter into the app, and then it logs your steps that you do through the day, counts towards the total length of whatever challenge you got. So the first one I did was Mount Fuji, so essentially it's counts your steps as if you were walking up Mount Fuji. You don't have to walk up Mount Fuji though, so that's handy. So yeah, that's essentially what it does. You can log your own steps and stuff, which is what I've had to do, because if you've got a Fitbit, it can do it automatically. I don't have a Fitbit, I have this Oppo watch, which has got a screen protector on it that is absolutely garbage. But if you have one of those Fitbits, you can do it automatically, or you can enter it in yourself at the end of each day, which is what I do. And yeah, essentially it tracks your way across this long trip. You can go on like street views and stuff, so you can see about whereabouts you will be stood, depending on how many steps you've already done. It's really nice, I like it a lot. You can see where other people are on the map, like so if your friends are doing it and stuff, you can see where they are, etc, etc. So yeah, that's essentially what a virtual challenge is. I do have a discount code if anybody wants to use it. It is in the down bar. If you want to go to the website, and I think you get 10% off of it. And yeah, it's just a bit of money off, and if you're going to do it anyway, you might as well get a bit of money off. But anyway, here's my second medal. Virtually anything is possible. Conqueror events. So they all come in these quite nice, sleek little things. On the back shows you this lady showing off a medal, and then you open it up and it shows you your medal. Okay, so this one is the, what's it called, Cabot Trail. I just went for the one that's Canadian because Canada holds a place in my heart, because hockey is primarily Canadian. You think Canadian, you think hockey. So I went for the Canadian one, and this is in Nova Scotia, I believe. And yeah, I'm going to take it off of here so that we can have a proper look at it. So here it is. Oh yeah, so Cape Breton, Nova Scotia. That's the trail that I did. It is 175 mile. Sorry, 185 mile. And I just love how they've done this in like the whole Canadian theme. It's just really nice. So at the top you've got this Conqueror virtual challenge. Then it says the tagline of virtually anything is possible, but it's kind of got the flag and everything. Of course it's got some maple leaves thrown on as well. And then it says the name of the trek, and then the Canadian flag down here. I just love it. And then on the actual, these just make really nice noises. I'm doing an ASMR video on these. Okay, so this is the actual medal itself. As you can see, they've kind of got this enamel to them, which just makes them pop a little bit more. So you've got how many miles it was, the challenge, the little puffins down there. It's just beautiful, isn't it? I love it. And then on the back, it says, "Stay wild." And then of course it's got a moose on there as well. So it says bling.nz. Maybe they make the actual medals, I'm not sure. But yeah. This is epic. I love it. I'm going to try and hang these up somewhere in my room because I love them so much. And yeah, as I said, I am doing the other trail. What's it called? Let me have a look on my app. Ring Road Iceland, that's what it's called. Okay, so as you can see, I am here on the map. It's pretty cool. And then if you click on here, where it's got the little man, it will load up a preview of where you are, review your journey. So then it's going to load up a map. No, it's not. I clicked on the wrong thing. Okay, so it's going to load up the street view of where I would be in Iceland. And as you look around, you can kind of see where you would be. So I'm just on a road right now. There's a little thing over there. Not much that way. So yeah, that's just a little feature of the app. So yeah, that's it. There's not really that much else to say apart from, you know, what virtual challenges are you doing? Have you enjoyed doing them? And yeah, that's pretty much it. I will do another video when I get my next medal, or when I sign up to another medal, see what I can do. So anyway, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next one. Adios.